Hello breakfast lovers, I'm here with an amazing recipe. Guess what? Today we are preparing oat porridge for breakfast. This porridge most of the times early in the morning we sell on the street of Ghana. Yes, but today in my kitchen we are going to make it very simple and easy. And after this video, I don't think you are going to buy oatmeal from outside. So this is our pot. We are going to pour in some water, then sprinkle a little salt to taste. Yes. So you boil this water for 5 minutes. So after 5 minutes, you add in your oats. Then you keep stirring. Make sure you stir it very well. If not, there will be lump inside. So you have to make sure everything is well mixed. You keep stirring. You boil for about 10 minutes. Then your oatmeal is ready. This oat can really deceive. Yes, if you don't cook it well, you get running stomach. It can really deceive. So you have to make sure it is well cooked. When this oat is well cooked, you start perceiving the aroma. The aroma starts coming out. Very nice aroma. Then you get to know, yes, the oat is well cooked. If not, if you cook and there is no aroma, trust me, the oat is not well cooked. So you have to make sure, you have to get time for it. You keep stirring, and it can easily burn under. So you have to keep stirring. You have to keep stirring. After 10 minutes, mine was small, so just 10 minutes was okay for me. Then my oatmeal is ready. You can serve this oatmeal with some granules, some strawberries, blueberries. You can also serve with milk, all kinds of fruits of your choice. You can serve this strawberry with. So mine is ready. For now, I don't have the fruits available, so I'm serving mine with milk, condensed milk, and trust me, it's so delicious. You need to eat very healthy and mind your business. Yes, thank you guys for watching to an end. God bless you. See you guys on my next video. Bye bye.